NCERT Physics Class 11th, 6th chapter, which is Work Power Energy, question number 6.24. So in this we had given a bullet of mass 0.012 kg and horizontal speed is given. Strike the wooden block of mass 0.4 kg, instantly come to rest with respect to the block. The block is suspended from the ceiling by the mean of thin wire. In this we are supposed to find out the height up to which the block rises. So when we look out the schematic, we can say that a block is suspended by the string and the bullet which is moving horizontally strikes to the block and get embedded into it. Initially, the speed of block is 70 meter per second, and after the collision, the bullet gets embedded into the block. So the mass of bullet is given as mb, which is equal to 0.012 kg, and mass of block is 0.4 kg. So this is a situation just before collision. What will be the situation just after collision? So just after the collision, the bullets get into the block and the mass, combined mass, initially this is moving with a speed of 70 meter per second and the block is at rest. And after the system get combined, the total mass becomes 0.412 kg. Mass of the system becomes 0.412 kg and the system moves with the velocity v. Now, from the conservation of momentum, we can say that initial momentum is equal to final momentum. The mass of system is equal to 0.412 kg. So, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Just before collision and just after collision, momentum is conserved as no external force in x direction is there. So initial momentum can be written as 0 point mass, that is equal to 0.12 into velocity, that is 70, is equal to total mass, that is 0.412 into final velocity is v. Now from this, the value of v which comes out to be is equal to v is equal to 2.04 meter per second. So the entire system move with the speed of 2.04 meter per second. So we are supposed to find the height up to which this block will rise. So let's say the block rises by height h and finally comes to rest. So the block has achieved a potential energy and this potential energy has come from the kinetic energy, or we can say that the initial kinetic energy get converted into potential energy. So in order to find the value of h, we can say that the potential energy which is converted from kinetic energy can be written as final potential energy mass of system is m dash g into h is equal to half kinetic energy initial of the system is half m dash into v square, where m dash is equal to mass of system. So from this we have h is equal to 1 by 2 into v square upon g. On putting the value of v and g, the value of v is 2.04, so h is equal to comes out to be 1 by 2 into 2.04 to the whole square upon g, which is equal to 9.8. On solving this, the height comes out to be, the height up to which the block rises comes out to be 0.2123 meter. So this is the height up to which the block rises. Now the other part, which is the heat produced. So the heat produced can be written as heat is equal to kinetic energy before incident, yeah, before collision. So initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy. Initial kinetic energy of the bullet minus final kinetic energy of the system. So initial kinetic energy can be written as half mass of bullet is equal to 0.012 kg into speed, which is 70 to the whole square, minus final kinetic energy, that is equal to half mass of system is 0.412 into speed of system, that is 2.04 whole square. So on solving this, the heat produced comes out to be 28.54 joule.